Okay, let's look at the problem on slide 36. We are given now 1.234 moles, 1.234 moles of hydrogen sulfide. How many grams do we have? Okay, once again, anytime, so I'm asked to figure out how many grams of hydrogen sulfide I have. Anytime you have to convert from moles to grams or grams to moles, the first thing you need to do is figure out the molar mass of the compound. I have 2 hydrogen atoms, so the molecular weight, or I should just write 1 mole of H2S has 2 hydrogens plus 1 sulfur. So 2 hydrogens, 2 times 1 hydrogen is 1.01 plus 1 sulfur, which is 2.07. This will give me 2.02 plus 32.07, which will give me approximately 34.09 grams. So 1 mole of this substance weighs this much. But I have a little more than 1 mole. Therefore, I will have a little more than 34 grams. So let's do it the first way that I showed, or let's do it both ways. But we start first with the amount we're given, so 1.234 moles of H2S. And then I write my conversion factor in such a way that my moles will want to cancel, so they go on the bottom, and I want grams, so that is the unit that I want on top. So 34.09 grams goes on top, and 1 mole weighs that much of H2S. This will cancel, and if you do the math, you should get about 42.05 grams of H2S. Now this means that hopefully I've done this correctly. I mean, not the exact, it doesn't tell me necessarily the exact value, but I am on the right track because I have more than 1 mole. 1 mole weighs this much, and my answer should be larger than this number, which it is. Now let's look at it the other way that I had it set up, where we have 1 mole of H2S. It weighs 34.09 grams. What about 1.234 moles of H2S? How many, I'll call them Y because I don't know how many grams that is. Okay, once again, cross multiply and set the products equal to each other. On this side, I have Y grams times 1 mole of H2S. Do not forget the units because they're very important. And I set that equal to my other cross product, 1.234 moles of H2S multiplied by 34.09 grams of H2S. Okay, to isolate Y, I divide both sides by moles, 1 mole of H2S. 1 mole of H2S. My moles of H2S will cancel. Okay, then Y is equal to the product of this, which is 42.05 grams of H2S. Okay, this is how you do these types of problems where you are given amount of moles and you work backwards using the molar mass to figure out how many grams of that substance you have. Okay, I will erase this and then we will work on the last problem of the chapter.